Welcome to Yuan Li Tong Enterprise Co. Limited. We're a leading manufacturer of high-quality powdered health foods, dedicated to bringing you the best in wellness. Founded in 2016 by food science and health nutrition experts, Yuan Li Tong is built on the principles of food nutrition epidemiology and preventive medicine. We source premium health food ingredients from around the world, ensuring you get the purest and most effective products. At Yuan Li Tong, your safety is our top priority. We operate a state-of-the-art facility in Tainan City, Taiwan, with certifications like ISO 22000, HACCP, Dun and Bradstreet, and USA Food Facility Registration. We've even completed a carbon footprint assessment for sustainable practices. Now, let's take you on a journey through our fully automated production line. Witness the magic unfold as we print batch numbers and dates using heat transfer technology, precisely measure and fill powdered ingredients into a foil package using a rotating feeder and volumetric cups. Seal the pouches securely, ensuring product freshness. Inspect each pouch with a metal detector for any foreign objects. Weigh each pouch for accuracy with automatic rejection of any inconsistencies. Meticulously hand count the finished products before packaging. We offer comprehensive OEM/ODM services, from research and development to raw material sourcing, inspection, and final packaging. We even have a dedicated R&D team that develops innovative formulas like probiotic supplements for digestive health and allergy relief, joint supplements to support joint flexibility and comfort, collagen powder for youthful skin and overall well-being. Vitamin C capsules boost immunity and support antioxidant defenses. Powder filling and powder packing expertise. Our expertise extends to powder filling and powder packing. We use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to ensure precise, consistent, and hygienic filling and packaging of your powdered products. Partner with Yuan Li Tong today and experience the future of powdered health foods.